Hello everyone, this is Sumi from Wingchain. So right now I'm in our newly expanded container assembly factory in Guangzhou. And today I will be introducing one of our star products, the ExaBOX2400 to you. So as you can see, this is a standard 40-feet container. And this hydro container is specially designed for Whatsminer hydro ASICs. It can accommodate the latest M63 series. The container itself comes with the CSC certification, and the main parameters of the hydro container were already labeled on the nameplate at the front board. So now let's have a look at the inside. So we have designed two separate power panels to support the maximum output of this 2.4 megawatt system. So each power panel comes with a wide voltage range. It can support three-phase 380 voltage to 480 voltage, and the frequency can be quoting with either 50 Hz or 60 Hz. And each power panel will be coming with 2 units of 1200 amperes made circuit breakers. And beside the power panel, it is the control panel. So the control panel comes with the intelligent PLC control system. So you can see from here, the intelligent PLC control system can support Chinese and English, so it can support both languages. And from this touchable screen, it can monitor and read all the real-time data. For example, the inlet temperature, the outlet temperature, and then operating pressure as well. And this section is the cooler distribution unit. It is one of the most critical components of the whole hydro container. So for the CDU, the water circulating pump is the most important part. So the water circulating pump will be responsible for pushing the cold inlet water into the main pipe, and then distributed all the waters into the hydro racks for dissipating the heat of the operating miners. And then it will recirculate all the hot outlet water to the dry coolers for heat dissipation. So right here, we have the pressure stabilizing tank and the degassing tank on top for remaining constant pressure when system is operating. And this is the water supply tank with its corresponding water supply pump to make sure there won't be any water shortage when the system operates. Now, let's have a look at the racks. So these were the standard 200 kilowatt hydro racks we designed for Whatsminer Hydro. So each rack can accommodate 20 units of Whatsminer X3 series. And for achieving the maximum output of 2.4 megawatts, we'll be using 12 units of these racks to achieve this capacity. And each rack will have 10 circuit breakers. Each circuit breakers will be in charge of powering 2 units of the mining servers. And for the network switch, which hosts the TP-Link 1 with 24 ports. So now let's have a look at the backside of the rack. So each rack comes with 2 stainless steel manifolds, where we have labels indicating whether it's inlet or it's outlet. And all these hoses comes with really high resistance of hot temperature outlet. And it comes with the quick connector for you to connect with the mining servers. And all these accessories here will be prefabricated in our factory, which means what you have seen here is what you're gonna get on site. And there's one highlight design I want to emphasize to you for this customized container. So we innovatively integrated the heat pump air conditioner with our standard hydro cooling container. The reason why we decided to integrate a heat pump air conditioner with a hydro cooling container is because we want to dissolve the issue of troubleshooting rising from extreme temperature conditions. For example, we got clients asking the mining servers may not be able to function well when the temperature drops below like 20 or 30 degrees Celsius. But with heat pump, we have two modes. So facing the extreme coldness during winter time, you can use the heating mode and then set the temperature up to make sure the miners itself can start up smoothly. And also sometimes during extreme like hot weathers, the miners might got overheating and then got some troubles and got certain failure rate. You could then use the cooling mode to set the temperature down to make sure that the mining servers have a comfortable and then stable operating temperature range. And besides heat pump air conditioner, this container also comes with two ventilation fans. So during spring or autumn times that you don't need to open the heat pump air conditioner, you still can operate these ventilation fans to ensure that there's enough airflows inside the container. And for ensure you have easy daily maintenance, we also leave a side door here, which means you can use the side door for daily maintenance. So this is a brief introduction of the 2.4 megawatt hydro containers designed by Greenhash. So if you are interested in these products, feel free to send us a DM for more information. Thank you.